Yo, what's good? Welcome to the channel. If you're new here, go and hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you never miss a groove. Check it, man. Today, I'm actually just learning this song Cinco De Mayo by War. You guessed it, for a Cinco De Mayo gig. So I think that one of the best ways, if not the best way, to learn how to play an instrument, particularly the bass, particularly the slap style, is to go back and listen to some of this classic, funk stuff. A lot of it's gonna be in E, because back in them days, people want to get that open E string. So this is no exception. Let me show you the groove. Now that's sort of an interpretation of the groove, because admittedly I'm just now learning this, so I think that second part of it is a slightly different. So I'll work that out later. But let me turn my camera down a little bit and show you what I'm doing and show you some different approaches you could take to this type of stuff. It's all language, it's all vocabulary. So let me show you. Let me get into it. Let me do this like this. I'm in my classroom right now. The kids have. So hopefully you can see my thumb and my my fretting hand. Good. So first part. Ha. Okay. Let me tilt this way a little bit. So E, B, A, D, and then a pluck on the octave, the D octave. Show you even more like that. So. Okay, so the things, the techniques that we have here that are going on, that you hear all the time, if you've been surfing the net for slap video stuff, is we've got our thump. So for you beginners, I'm kind of right behind that, right there at the upper half of the neck, yeah? So, and there's a pluck. Let me do that in time, because I did it out of time there, so. And then we have a hammer on. Hammer on, thump. No, okay, so now, that's G, G, A. That's the first phrase, okay? So, now I'm gonna show you two different ways that I do this. One is to do a thump with the hammer on, thump. Another way is so that's three different ways. So first way is all thumb. Second way, first way. Next way, pluck, thump, hammer on. Sorry, it's hard to do this slow sometimes. So pluck, thumb, hammer on. I did it again. That's the first way. That's the second way, when I did a thump at the very end. Dang it. Okay. The next way, I'll do a pluck, thump, pluck. So pluck, thumb, hammer on, pluck. You dig? So that's the first part of the phrase. Now that part is an interpretation, admittedly an interpretation, because I like literally just put this on a few seconds ago. So, but you get the point. So you've got the first part of the phrase that ends with this. Then the first part of the phrase comes again. See? And that next part is E, G, A, G, A, A. It's a little bit harder to do the same exact technique as I did here, but you can definitely, you can definitely do it. Anytime you get a chance to work out the pluck thump thing, take it. So now I took a liberty in the little opening section. I think I went, slid into the D on the G string, on the D string, and then I plucked A, G. And then that little thing that's common, people call that different names, trills, not trills, but stingers or whatever. It's kind of a thing now that we've given a name to. I don't remember the name, but I used to hear Robert Wilson do that type of thing, and Mark Adams from Slave did that a lot. So yeah, let me play the thing with the drum groove, and then I'm gonna get out your hair and let you enjoy your day and go practice. Okay? If you have any questions, man, leave them in the comments. I'm happy to talk about them and try to shed some more light on this if that's what you're into. So until next time, peace.